There's some gear you always need, no matter where in the world you are. I'm Lauren from Pack Hacker, and today we're covering the gear you use when you leave your accommodations. So let's get into it. We like carrying water, snacks, and an extra layer on our adventures. So there's a good chance we're taking a backpack too. We like the 12-liter Trakke Canna because it's easy to load with all of our gear and looks great too. You can fill the rectangular shape to the brim if you need to, so you won't have to leave anything behind when heading out for the day. We have no trouble fitting a laptop, battery bank, packable jacket, and more inside the main compartment, and the bright orange interior makes it easy to spot tech gear. Then we stash a phone, wallet, and keys inside the large front pocket, although since there aren't any additional pockets for organization, your gear will pile up at the bottom. Still, it's not so large that you'll misplace your headphones or other essentials in that pocket, so we think this is a great bag for everyday carry or as a personal item on the plane. You can carry it on your back or with the large tote handles that make it easier to pull out from under the seat in front of you. It's got a heritage style that we like with a waxed canvas material that develops a nice patina over time, so you're less likely to stand out as a tourist when you carry this bag. You don't want heavy gear to weigh you down when you're visiting new museums and trendy restaurants. But you still may need to recharge your phone on the go. For a palm-sized solution, check out the Clutch Charger Pro. We've mentioned clutch chargers before because they're some of the thinnest and lightest battery banks around. Although it's a little thicker compared to the original, the Pro boosts the capacity to 5,000 milliamp hour and adds MagSafe capabilities. If you've ever had a battery bank slip out of your hands while it's still connected to your phone, you'll appreciate the added feature. Satisfying. I mean, this isn't going anywhere. Like other clutch chargers, the Pro has a built-in cord to connect to your phone, which means you won't have a bunch of cables getting into a tangled mess at the bottom of your bag. While you'll need a separate USB-C cord to recharge the battery bank, you can leave it at the hotel as you spend a day at the amusement park. It's not the most powerful battery bank out there, yet if you have smaller hands or don't want a cord running to your pocket or sling while you're charging, it's a great option to get your phone up to nearly full power. Speaking of gear that works hard and looks good, check out Drift, this video sponsor. They create sustainable and natural air fragrance products for your home and vehicle. It has a clean and natural aesthetic that's a great alternative to paper fresheners. The sleek wood block easily connects with a magnet to a metal clip that slides onto my car visor. The teak scent was strong right out of the package, but not overwhelming, and it softened even more over time. Plus, the smooth teak wood, cedar, and musk notes last longer than other air fresheners I've tried, thanks to the all-natural essential and fragrance oils free from harsh chemicals. I don't know about you, but I tend to get nose blind to the same scent. With the subscription to Drift, you'll get the starter kit with the scent and the clip, plus monthly refills to switch it up. You can choose from their standard offerings or go for the limited edition scent of the month inspired by the season. The subscription is super flexible, so you can change your scent choice and delivery frequency or cancel anytime. Use coupon code PACK55 to save 55% off at Drift, and it's less than $6 for your first month. Link in the description below. If you're cutting down on what you carry throughout the day, try a sling. It's the perfect size for the essentials, whether you wear it crossbody or around your waist. And while you're probably seeing the everywhere belt bag, well, everywhere, we really dig this smaller size from Lululemon. The mini belt bag is great to carry just the basics. I mean, sometimes all you need to carry are your phone, wallet, and keys, and a backpack is overkill. The mini belt bag drops a quarter of the capacity for more minimal travelers, and we think this sling is a much better fit for tiny gear. Plus, we like the matte finish on the ripstop fabric. Their other bags are just a little bit too shiny for me personally, so this is definitely more my speed. You give up a couple of pockets in the mini compared to the original, but there's still one mesh pocket dividing the main compartment and a back pocket for slim gear like your passport, cash, and tickets. The strap is on hip-hugging wings and sits at an angle when you wear it crossbody, and we find it the perfect fit for a pocket dump when you need to unload as you pass through security or if you just don't have pockets. You never know when you're going to need to repair your bike or tighten a loose leg on the couch at your Airbnb. This pouch makes it easy to carry tools on your next trip. The Wax Canvas Roaring Fire Pioneer Mini Tool Bag has a heritage look and feel, but it's much easier to pack than Grandpa's toolbox. There's a zippered compartment for small items, and the middle section includes mesh pockets and elastic toppers for other gear. While you can't bring anything sharp if you're flying with just one bag since it'll have to go into your carry-on, a flap covers pointy tools when you want to use them at home. It also helps to hold your gear in place. When you roll it up, the bag secures with a strap that fastens with a durable metal adjuster, so you can cinch it up smaller to carry less. We think it's a useful everyday kit if you like to go camping, biking, or travel long term. After all, there's an IKEA in nearly every country, and you never know what you'll need to assemble. There are so many tools we can suggest you bring on a trip, like a carabiner, a bungee cord, a cable tie, just to name a few. With the Infinity tool, you can keep a tool that works for all three within easy reach. The MODL Outdoors Infinity tool is a stretchy band you can wear around your wrist or wrap around the handle of your bag until you need it. Use it as a sternum strap on bags that don't have one, to attach a bottle outside of your pack, and to connect your bag without a pass-through to your rolling luggage. Our Pack Hacker Pro members have had even more ideas for what to do with these flexible bands. They come in 2 lengths at the time of this video, each with a ring of holes where you can attach the Stud Link 2.0. It's more secure than the original thanks to its 6-sided design. Pop it in to tighten or loosen the band, or chain them to one another for a longer strap. The hook stud allows you to hang up your day pack or strap your gear into place. It can work better than a bungee since you can adjust it to any tightness. The stack stud locks everything into place to keep the extra strap from flopping around. Oh, and did we mention that there are now glow-in-the-dark options? Because it's pretty cool. While the regular Infinity tool can hold up to 70 pounds, the Glow tools can support 50. But they also light up a dark room for half an hour and make it easy to keep track of your friends as you explore the woods at night when charged with the included UV flashlight. Plus, the blue and green colors just look really fun, and you can personalize them with aesthetic studs. If you ever stumble upon a roadside stand while you're exploring, you understand the importance of a packable tote. And some countries charge for plastic bags at the grocery store. But you'll be prepared for any emergency with the Baggu reusable tote. These lightweight shopping bags fold down to a small square, so they're easy to keep in your sling or day pack just in case. It unfolds to be about the same size as a standard grocery bag, but this one won't rip when you toss in a pokey pineapple. In fact, it can hold up to 50 pounds of gear, so use it to bring home books from the little free library, a handcrafted sausage from the local butcher, or a new sun hat. We love our cheery cherry colorway, but you can get them in tons of colors and patterns to match your style. While it's not comfy enough to carry a bunch of towels as you trek the miles of Sleeping Bear dunes to get to the beach, it's a great addition to your travel pack when you find something you've just gotta have. Endless streaming can get dull after a few episodes if you're not in the mood to binge watch. But there's not always space for a big notebook or a travel game in your personal item bag. Instead, banish boredom or play hangman on the MEMO Whiteboard wallet. This durable aluminum minimalist wallet has space for 6 cards when you slide 3 on each side. You don't have to open it up to get to your card at the checkout counter or transit station either. Instead of opening to reveal cards, the magnetic closure conceals a secret fold-out whiteboard. Use it to play games with a travel partner on the plane or at the pub. Since you won't have access to your maps or the Notes app on your phone if it dies, this gives you a place to write down directions back to your hotel. Or just carry the clutch charger that we mentioned earlier and you won't have that problem. It includes a pen that sticks into a dedicated spot so you can doodle, write lyrics to your smash hit song, or record your next bright idea. We have a full review on this and many of the other products in this video, so check that out on our reviews channel, link in the description below. Staying hydrated is essential for a smooth trip. You don't want to keep buying bottled water when you're out and about though. Instead, sip your way through the day with the cleverly built-in straw of this Klean Canteen. To take a drink, twist the cap and watch the silicone straw conveniently pop up like magic. It's attached to a stainless steel straw inside, not plastic. Props to Klean Canteen for durability and sustainability. It lacks a plastic seal and instead relies on unique bead-like protrusions inside the bottle that the lid threads onto. It's meant to form a better seal for increased insulation, and it prevents leaks so you can toss it in your day pack or travel backpack without a worry. The metal handle gives you options for carrying it when your bag is full, and you can take it completely apart to clean out the last of whatever you were drinking. While this bottle takes up more space than other 16-ounce drinkware and the straw can get stuck inside the cap, it doesn't happen often, and some Pack Hacker team members have been enjoying drinks from this cup for over a year. This next item might not seem like something you'd use every day, but it's great when you want your tunes without tuning everything out. And it's hard to believe, but Altec Lansing's waterproof speaker is lighter than some noise-canceling headphones. This mini H2O waterproof Bluetooth speaker is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand or slide into a decent-sized sling. We like to bring it along to an Airbnb or out to the pool for vacation vibes. This nearly 4-ounce speaker is IP67 rated, which means it can be submerged in 1.5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes, so it'll certainly take some splashing from your game of Marco Polo. And the 6-hour battery life will keep you rocking all afternoon. Clip it to your backpack with the included carabiner for a mid-afternoon hike. It's also a great companion when kayaking and canoeing since it floats. And if you happen to tip, the bright colorways make it easy to spot so you can grab it before it floats away. When you're ready to jam, press and hold the power button for 5 to 8 seconds and adjust the volume via the buttons. Press the power button twice to change songs, but be considerate if you run into other travelers along the way. Not everybody wants to listen to Taylor Swift. Can't relate, but it's true. And if you're staying somewhere for a while, pick up a few more speakers and connect them for a surround sound experience. The Notes app is great for jotting down shopping lists or to-dos, but sometimes you want to stay off screens, after you finish this video, of course. The Lochby Pocket Journal gives you another way to record your adventures. This small travel journal has a wax canvas cover for protection from the elements and other items swimming around at the bottom of your backpack. It includes a 72-page pocket notebook where you can write down your bright ideas, sketch, or record the gate you're flying from so you don't have to keep pulling out your phone to check. What sets it apart from other notebooks or journals are the pockets on the cover, which allow you to use it as a travel wallet. Slip your passport and some cards in pockets on the left side and put your mini pen in the dedicated slot. There's a larger pen slot on the front in case you want to back up, and a larger pocket for concert or festival tickets. A pocket on the back attaches tightly with a hook and loop closure so you can use it for cash if needed. Although the pockets are a bit tight when brand new, they'll break in as you use it on your trip. And when you fill the 72nd page in the notebook, you can slip a fresh one inside. So that's what we're bringing around town on our next trip. For more suggestions, check out our first roundup video linked below. Thanks to Trakke for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to check out the link below. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we'll see you in the next one.